Decontamination. Decontamination.
What the hell?
No! Don't you touch my baby! Don't you dare! You're my baby! No! Shut up! No! No! No, Mac!
Michelle!
Please!
Michelle!
It's coming.
Dad! It's coming!
Freeze! NYPD, drop it!
You're gonna die!
Oh, no. No, please, God, no.
I'm gonna hurt you! I'm gonna hurt you!
The flesh of fallen angels!
I'm gonna hurt you. I'm gonna hurt you.
No, God, no, please, Michelle. Oh, baby.
Wasn't Jake supposed to take care of this? He and Mickey are having too much fun taking care of the cop up there. What's the plan? Simple. Gun down every mother-loving bastard that gets off the train. Sweet. Didn't the train go already? No idea. Let's just wait and see.
Yeah, he's dead all right.
Hey, it's me you're talking to.
Yo, guys. Hey, we're getting around. You hear me? What, is this a joke? Hey, anybody? Answer me.
Kiss it goodbye, cop.
No, don't! No!
Hey, who the hell?
You saved me, man.
What's going on here?
A massacre. These armed thugs just appeared from nowhere. We need to get help. I can make the call from the control room 1 floor up. Can you take me there?
Sure, sounds good. Follow me.
We need to go and call help. There's no time to lose. We gotta get to the control room. We gotta get moving, please. Frankly, I'm too scared to go to the control room on my own without you and your gun. Hey, where are you going? The control room's up the stairs. Home free. This way.
Look out! Hitting Roscoe Bank ain't exactly keeping low profile.
The riskiest heist ever, huh? But hell, the payoff makes it worth it.
Like Lupino. Now that's spooky. Jack Lupino. Yeah, spooky. But also it's like the failure count is rising. Yeah, I wouldn't joke about it if I was you. Yeah? The station's not secured. Someone decided to play hero upstairs. That's all we need.
All done here. Give me the detonator.
What are you talking about?
The detonator.
I thought you'd bring it.
You were supposed to bring it.
Yeah, right.
Okay, fellas. The police are on their way. New York's finest are gonna be here soon. So stick to the plan. We've got our own private exit route. In and out, do your thing. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am.
Incoming. Volpe, take care of it.
Hold it! Max! Jesus, you almost gave me a heart attack! I nearly shot you!
Alex, I'm glad to see you.
What the hell's going on? There are more corpses here than at the city morgue!
It's an armed robbery, a tunnel job straight to the Roscoe Bank vault through the old station wall. Is this why... this is Lupino's gig?
This is Lupino's doing? Lupino's men? Really?
You sure know how to pick a place. Can you get through?
No, it's locked. We gotta get out of here. If it's Lupino, it's... Oh!
Alex?
Alex! Let's get the hell out of here!
We'll be fine. Just take it easy.
I'm allergic to sirens. We gotta get moving.
Shut up, okay?
Pain in the butt. Ha ha! Pain to the max. Young squad pig. Got a ticket to Marble City for you. Feet first and lying down. Friggin' A.
Bosses! Everything all right? Bosses! Joey! Vigilio! You all right in there? They're not answering. Call the others. Tell them to come quick. Okay, but we can't wait for them. We gotta go in now. Bosses! We're coming in! Yeah, something's wrong with the bosses. Payne's there and they're not answering. Let's go already. Payne's gonna pay. In spades.
Previously on Lords and Ladies.
Lady Amelia, Marquis Valentine asks for an audience.
Thank you, Lawrence.
My lady.
My lord.
And now, an all-new episode of Lords and Ladies, brought to you in part by Acer Corporation.
My lady.
My lord.
My lady, there is a matter of great importance I must bring to your attention.
My lord, there is?
Indeed, my lady, there is indeed. From the very first moment we met, upon that distant forest path, there has been sunlight in the autumn leaves blazing like the colors of your hair.
Oh, my lord, you should not speak so.
But my lady, I must.
My lord, no. I forbid you. This cannot be. This must not be.
But why, my love, why?
My lord, it is too dreadful. Do not force me to speak the words.
My lady, I beg of you, I must know. I would rather die than not know.
Yes, my lord, we should both be dead, for this shame is too great for the living. My lord, I am your long-lost sister.
Oh, Lady Amelia, so tragic. Will they ever get together?
Piece of crap!
Oh, careful, it might kick back. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee, killer vending machine.
You talking to me?
Tough guy, scared.
Told you.
God damn, I thought it was a bomb for sure.
Nah, the Russian wouldn't dare. This has been waiting to happen.
I thought it was a bomb.
It's him. Go get him.
No, wait, you go get him. You go and get him. It was freaking crazy. The cops were doing a full-scale siege next door. More traffic than rush hour. I mean, bleeding bastards running back and forth, Ronnie and Jimbo to throat. And in the middle of all this, there we were. I didn't give a damn. Just going with the flow.
So what happened?
Nothing happened. We got the explosives, dumped the cargo, we were home free.
Jesus.
Take vampire movies. Why are they always set in LA or Mexico? They can't even get a tan. If I was a bloodsucker, I'd move to the North Pole. Winter's one long night.
Yeah, and what would you eat? Suck blood from penguins?
Nah, Eskimos, man. Eskimos.
Chill with the guns. Trust me, you don't want to piss Muerte off. Gentlemen, let's do business.
Green for green.
Cheers at Green-Eyed Angels. Amen.
Oh, crap.
Do something.
You think you could take my money? You know who you're dealing with? Huh? Do you? Do you?
No, you listen to me. No! You listen to me now! You listen to me! No!
I don't know, man. I don't know about this.
Quit worrying, eh? Think of it as Christmas. The Russians are with Santa.
Max Payne, this is your final warning. Surrender or we'll be forced to take action. Don't make us come and get you.
It's never been this cold. Never ever. It's like the sky's falling.
Yes, sir. It's the end of the world as we know it.
And I don't feel fine. I don't feel anything. Not a thing.
I'm freezing my butt off. Pizza delivery.
Never seen you before. Buzz off, Joker.
No, don't shoot. I ain't...
You know the clowns at the laundry?
Me? No.
You're no good to me then.
What? No, the laundry, yeah. I know him, yeah.
Get me in there.
Okay. No problem, man. I'll come to the laundromat with you. I'll get you in. Okay. I'm with you. Just lead the way. Just say when, and I'm there. Hey, you got the gun. You make the rules. It's me. Open up. Let me in, quick.
Not so fast. The password. John Who.
Come on. Okay, John Woo.
All right. Come right in.
It's a trap! It's Payne!
Hold on, I'll be out soon. Relax, Jesus, I'll be out in a freaking second.
Red, blue, or green?
It's always red or blue in the movies.
So, green?
No, not the green.
What the hell are you standing around here for? They're bombing us. What are you doing? You're doing nothing. What are you doing? This is war. Freaking war.
NYPD, you on the roof. Drop your weapon and lie down. I repeat, drop your weapon and lie face down.
It's Payne. He's coming down the stairs. Shoot the bastard.
Okay, boss, you got it.
No problem.
Hey, we're gonna be rich.
Freaking rich.
Even richer than that, wise guy.
Freaking rich.
Hey, on the roof, the skylight.
Open, goddammit! Payne! I'll kill you, you lousy freaking cop! Ah!
He's coming. I can hear him. Ready? Keep your guns pointed at the door. Okay, this is it. Any moment now, Payne's gonna bust through that door with murder in his eye. It's either him or us. I, for one, am gonna pump the SOB so full of lead, they'll need a forklift to carry the coffin to the grave.
What with Dino and all, I wouldn't say anything to his face. He might not... Who knows what he'd do?
but somebody's gotta go in there. It's too freaky. All the screaming, I mean. It's been 3 days now.
Don't look at me. Hell no, I ain't got no death wish.
I'm just saying, it gives me the creeps, especially now. It's gone all quiet in there.
The flesh of fallen angels! Come to me all! Astaroth, Beelzebub, Asmodeus, Baphomet, Lucifer, Loki, Satan, Cthulhu, Lilith, Ella! Blood to you all! Secret living under the skin of reality. I've seen it. The corruption of flesh. Ow! I'm the wolf, yeah! I am the wolf! It's close. It's coming. You have come. A witness to the end of time. It's now! I will rise to her side! I don't need the words! I'm beyond the words! Die! You'll die! You'll die! Now! All die! Oh! The wolf!
Should have known it when we found you snoring next to Lupino's corpse. A comedian, huh? I really love to watch cartoons. Captain Baseball Bat Boy's my favorite. Cartoon violence. A fascinating thing. No matter what you do to them, those guys always bounce right back. You could slice them, dice them, shoot them full of holes, blow them to bits, vaporize them, disintegrate them. No matter what you do, they'll still be back good as new. Nothing like that ever happens in the real world.
Max, no, please, Max. Why? I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. Max!
It's Frankie's turf. He'll take care of it.
Yeah, I know. Just I wouldn't mind having a go at it myself.
It's Frankie's turf.
Yeah, I know that.
10-3, Unit 294, call dispatcher. Unit 294, come in. Have you arrived at the scene? Unit 294, Unit 294, come in. Unit 294.
Just forget about it. Just forget about it. Hey, just forget about it.
Fine by me. This works out just as well.
Both of them beaten to a pulp. Eyes swollen. They couldn't see in the end. Swaying on their feet. Slipping on the blood. Money's worth.
Brought tears to my eyes. Transcendental.
Raise the bridge.
Oh, Rico Muerte? This way. In here.
Dime. Dime. Tap. Dime.
Tell the devil that Dime sent you.
You know how to handle yourself. Anybody who says different is calling me a liar. Vladimir here. Collect all the guns and ammo you want. Meet me on the bridge afterwards.
Pilot, he's here!
1 down, 2 to go.
Joe! Payne's here!
Take care of him. I want him dead.
2 down, 1 to go.
Don't stop at him.
This will stop anything. Take cover.
End of the road, Payne.
Vince Mugnano.
No, I told him nothing.
Drop it. Don't move.
Game over, Max Payne.
It's Payne. Someone get the guys from upstairs.
No one's going anyplace. Too late for that. He walks in, we waste him. Vinny and Joe and Pilot won't get the credit for this kill.
Who's there? Max? Max, is that you? Max? Where are you, Max? Please. No, please, Max, no. I'm sorry. Please don't, Max, no. Please. Max, no, Max!
What? Phoebe!
What can I tell you? I'm working for her.
Murderer! You killed her!
Obstacle in place. Repeat, obstacle in place. 3, 2, 1, go!
Acknowledged.
Acknowledged. Obstacle in place. Barrels are ready to go. Booby trap in place. Repeat. Booby trap in place. Acknowledged. Target controls destroyed. Repeat, oven controls have been destroyed. Obstacle in place.
Can you believe it? I bet they sleep with their rifles. I bet they've given them names.
I guess. So, you don't have a name for your gun?
Hello? Hell no. You do?
Well, yeah, kind of.
Hey, let's hear it.
Well, I call it Dick Justice.
I rest my case. I hate to be stereotyped. I'm not a cold-blooded killer. I'm a nice guy. I love my wife. I have 2 boys I'm very proud of. You just have to make the ends meet. And if that means I have to shoot someone now and then, hey, it's just my job from 9 to 5.
Well, not quite from 9 to 5, but I hear you.
Kill the bastard! Kill the bastard!
Well, you can't do this. My men are still inside.
Do you have any idea why this is called Operation Deadeyes?
I think he's dead already.
Let's do it.
Attention all personnel. The self-destruction sequence has been initiated. Evacuate the complex immediately. Repeat, the self-destruction sequence has been initiated. Proceed to the nearest exit immediately.
We've got company.
Attention all personnel. The self-destruction sequence has been initiated. Proceed to the nearest exit immediately.
Abort! Abort! The self-destruction sequence has been initiated! Get the hell out of here! The place is gonna blow! Move! 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 Run, goddammit, run! Bastards! They've sold us out! We're expendable!
It's bad!
Go! 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 Oh my god! My god!
Decontamination in progress. Decontamination completed.
Hey! In here! Hey! Get me out of here! I'm innocent! There! Let me out! Thanks! I thought I was gonna die in there for sure.
I need you to get me through the decontamination chamber airlock.
You're crazy! No way! The place is blowing up, for Christ's sakes!
Either that or back to the cell. Your choice.
Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it.
Hurry up, for Christ's sakes, it's gonna blow! Are you mad? Move it! I don't want to die here! Please, we gotta go now, there's no time! What's the holdup? Can't you see the place is gonna blow up?
We're dead! We're dead! Get in. I'll punch you through. Damn, it's busted. Wait, hold on. I can still rig it to work. You're crazy! Crazy! I'm out of here. I'm gone. We did a bad thing. Bad. Ah!
No, no, no! Get away! Get away from me! No, no! Go, go, go! They're all dead!
We'll make it. We can still make it.
Move it! Let's go, let's go!
Self-destruction imminent. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Commence.
Go, 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 go!
Maxie, Maxie, Maxie. Come out wherever you are. You know, I really hate people who refuse to see the inevitable. Refuse to do the smart thing. No, I must do the right thing. I blame you. For a smart guy, you really can be stupid at times.
Acknowledged. Target escaped. Last confirmed location, the inner courtyard. Search and destroy.
Cover me. I'm going in.
The best movie ending ever? Gotta be Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid. A hero's end, going out with guns blazing.
Never heard of it.
No? Okay, newer stuff then. The Usual Suspects, where Spacey walks out of the police station and suddenly loses his limb. Or hey, 7, where Brad Pitt gets to that head-sized blood-soaked cardboard box.
Now I know. Freaking zombie demons from outer space. Drowning in blood was cool.
Oh, why do I even bother? Sometimes, honestly, I don't know.
Take him down. Shoot to kill. Let's finish this.
CIA, FBI, you've seen one, you've seen them all. Sure, good for a practice run. But this, working for her, oh, this is the real thing. The money's astronomical. And best of all, you get to kill any scumbag who gets in your way. License to kill. Like James Bond. You know what I'm talking about. In all the cool action movies, and I'm talking about the coolest of the cool, it always seems like time slows down in the middle of the action. You know, you can see the bullets flying through the air, the hero dodging in slow motion. Oh man, it would be so cool to be able to do that. Bullet time, that's what they call it. Bullet time, yeah, would be so cool.
Stop him!
Max Payne, this is futile. A waste of time. The deaths of your wife and daughter were necessary. Inevitable. It is done. You cannot bring them back. Nothing you do will make it any better. Max Payne, you are fighting a losing battle. You cannot survive this. You will die. Stop fighting. Make it easy for yourself. Accept your fate. You will die here. Max Payne, face it. You are up against an unbeatable force. You have already lost. You have lost. Only death will set you free from your pain. Accept it. Surrender. Give up. What do you mean he's unstoppable? You are superior to him in every way that counts. You are better trained, better equipped. You outnumber him at least 20 to 1. Do your job.
The elevator lobby. Get us back up now.
We have him in the North Lounge. Send us assistance.
Max Payne is in the Central Lounge, the Skylight Lounge. Get in here.
He's in the East Lounge. We have him. Get us back up. The East Lounge.
Not a step further. End it here. Any means necessary. That's for you.
Roger that. Attempting to land now. It's gonna be tricky. She's on board. We're out of here as soon as the wind dies down. Don't like the look of that mast. Lift off in 1 minute. Lift off in 45 seconds. 30 seconds to lift off. 15 seconds to lift off.